Hello, boss, my dear friend. This is 5,000 square meter our sheet metal facility. We have 5 laser cutting machines and all big equipment assembly also in downstairs here. We can see that area is our laser cutting machine. And here is our whole machine assembly. It is for laboratory. We can go and see. This is the whole machine assembly is for laboratory. We can see their touch screen, ID card, and this is for the scanner, the cash acceptor. Okay, this is printer, and this is for the book in and outside. It's very complicated project, okay, but we can do here. It's quite complicated. You can see their channel, everything inside, structure, electronic, and also the whole machine need to run. Okay, you can see there another door here. I don't know how to open. Oh, I don't know how to open. It's okay. We can see 1, 2, 3 door. This is smaller one, okay? And this is another equipment. All the big equipment for laboratory, okay? If you had some equipment, OEM and ODM requirement, contact us. Our factory can assemble the whole machine, design the whole machine, and make your idea reality. Thank you.